new future with Korea and Mozambique. Increasing natural disasters threaten people's lives. We need solutions to protect food sources, assets, and lives. With the support of the African Development Bank, the government of Mozambique and Busan Technopark work together. The project for supply, deployment, training, and operation of a drone-based disaster management solution in the Republic of Mozambique. African Development Bank organized the team for enhancing flood risk management skills in Mozambique. The project consists of 3 parts: drone equipment supply, drone training, and drone solution. With this project, 4 training drones and 5 solution drones will be provided to Mozambique. Quad H4 is a training drone that can be used for various purposes, including mapping, monitoring, and investigation. Milvus T1 is designed for mapping and surveillance for flood management. Milvus T2 is used for search and rescue for disaster response. Apache 3 is an unmanned surface vehicle for bathymetric surveying and water quality test. They are deployed for drone training and solutions according to their specific functions. Furthermore, our goal goes beyond technology transfer. We aim to cultivate local talent. The training consists of pilot and instructor courses, enhancing drone operation through theory and practice. We will develop drone experts and build sustainable systems in Mozambique. Drone solution means a series of activities including flying drones, collecting data, and processing the results. The solutions are conducted in 5 flood-prone areas. Mozambican pilot trainees participate in the solution and cooperate with Korean technicians for developing a flood risk protection model. With the project, we will achieve a more advanced flood risk management model, customized drones, well-trained professionals, and diverse drone experience can help you resolve disasters fast and accurate. The steps toward an innovative future have just begun.